So, imagine the market drama when rumors hit that Trump might actually fire the Fed chair. Yeah, that happened. And then a few hours later, he walks it back. Classic. Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday morning, July 17th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we begin, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital. For smart investment solutions and high-quality funds, head over to amf-capital.de. If you enjoy the podcast, please rate it wherever you're listening and make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. All right, let's get to it. So, here's the deal. Stocks started Wednesday pretty mixed, kind of shaky after a hotter-than-expected inflation report the day before. Then Bloomberg dropped a bombshell saying Trump was seriously thinking about firing Jerome Powell soon, and that sent stocks lower in early trading. But by the afternoon, things flipped. Trump, in the Oval Office, told reporters, "No, we're not planning on doing anything." He still called Powell lousy, no surprise there, but said they'll just pick somebody good when Powell's term runs out in 8 months. So basically no firing, for now. That little bit of clarity helped calm things down. By the close, the Standard & Poor's 500 was up about 0.3%. The Dow gained 0.5%, roughly 436 points higher from the lows, and the Nasdaq inched up 0.3% for yet another record close. Now let's talk earnings and data, because there was plenty of that too. Big banks kicked off the unofficial start of earnings season. Bank of America delivered solid numbers, boosted by all the volatility from Trump's trade talk. Johnson & Johnson also came in stronger than expected, which gave investors a little confidence that corporate America isn't cracking under all this tariff noise. And the inflation story? We got the June Producer Price Index, the wholesale inflation measure, and it was actually better than expected. It came in flat month over month and up just 2.3% year over year, which is softer than estimates. That was a relief after Tuesday's hotter consumer inflation report showed tariffs starting to push prices higher. Meanwhile, Trump's still keeping the pressure on trade. In the past week, he's threatened new tariffs on Canada, the European Union, Mexico, basically all the big trading partners, with those duties kicking in on August 1st if there's no deal. So the tension is still there, but the market seems to be shrugging it off for now. And just a reminder, the Fed meets in just over 2 weeks. Almost everyone expects them to hold rates steady this month, but Trump keeps hammering Powell to cut, and even criticized him for the Fed headquarters renovation. Yeah, really. So, in the end, Powell's safe. Earnings look decent, wholesale inflation's not too scary, and Wall Street finished higher. Let's see if it lasts. That's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Don't forget to subscribe, rate the podcast, and share it with your network. Thanks for tuning in.